A sales agreement is a contract that commits the customer to buy a product in a certain quantity or amount over time in exchange for special prices and/or discounts. A purchase agreement is a contract that commits an organization to buy a product in a certain quantity or amount over time in exchange for special prices and discounts. When a commitment is to an amount, then only a line discount can be specified. The prices and discounts of the sales and purchase agreement overrule any prices and discounts stated in any trade agreements that may exist. Next, let's talk a little bit more about purchase and sales agreements. With agreements, you can perform the following tasks. Support purchase and sales agreements, which are based on quantities or amounts. You can apply the terms and conditions of the purchase agreement or sales agreement. For example, the payment terms when you create an order by using the purchase order details form. If an agreement is selected when you create the sales or purchase order, then you can apply a price and discount from commitments when the lines are created on the order. The use of the commitment is tracked on the agreement form. You can also define a validity period for the purchase and sales agreements. You can put purchase and sales agreements on hold to control whether they are available to the agent during the ordering process, and you can control whether to search for purchase agreements when purchase order lines are created indirectly, for example, by firming a planned order in the master planning module. You can control whether to search for sales agreements when sales order lines are created indirectly, for example, when they are created through an intercompany order. You can also search for an agreement indirectly when creating an order, such as creating a purchase order from a sales order by using a direct delivery scenario. You can create a release order directly from the purchase or sales agreement form when the commitment is defined for a quantity of the product. You can watch the following demonstration to learn about how to configure agreement classifications. Then we'll talk more about the commitment types.